Toyota Vets. Morales Cash.
It is going to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. It is Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Polokwane City 0, and in extra time, Mamelodi Sundowns eventually win a goal by Umathuludi in extra time. So that was an on goal by Polokwane City in the MTN 8. As we speak, we're going to know who's going to be playing in the who's playing against who in the semi-final. Junior Kanyao, analyst, what do you make of the game, sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ngibulisa Justice.
Just.
Yeah, ngibulisa abachithi bobo nontwana I can call him Pep.
Guardiola.
Yeah, ngibulise uBenedict Little Napoleon Tsovila kasi. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Yeah, Nkululeko. Yeah, it was not an easy game for Sundowns.
Sure.
It's not difficult playing against people abadlala low block whereby abantu abadlala baphaka ibhasi. Everybody must be behind the ball. First half, straightforward. I think it was instruction from the coach in Polokwane City. I'm not too sure whether the coach or the director.
Chairman, my chairman.
Mr. Choni Khalane, okanye his coach.
Yeah, man of the match.
At
least Machurugile not
like. Are they selling the guy?
I know he keep us a man. Maybe that's what's misleading. Go to there. Yabona t-shirt a man. No, I think it's one of the defenders. Mkwali or Nikane. Yeah, Nikane, Bulelani Nikane. The thing is, no, Axis Kelem. Bashaya Ukuthi keepers man, they've been defending. So they give it to him. I think, would you give it to Sundowns if you were going to give it? It's kind of difficult today to pick the man of the match.
Yeah, Ribeiro did very well. Nalekule, he played off the ball. I think Sundowns came into this game. Defensive, I think it's in a bigger sum. Defensive Polokwane City. I think they told them coming to this game, my instruction, which usually right in Kulmangalo or Kolere own code. Mathuludi. It goes forward most of the time. Today, it defends all about 4 players. They play alright. They play about 4 at the back, 5 in the middle. Though the middle was 5, they track a back, but 5. It looks like they confused. I'm going to go by 5-4-1, 4-5-1. The one to love everybody, everyone behind the ball. Sundowns, they're supposed to score. By Tony Lama chance in Kulmanga first, if not mistaken, 15-20 minutes. By Tony Lama chances Sundowns, made about finish a lot of chances. Angaz good to I think decision making, but let it down. Players being in hurry, can move fast to full get fast. I think Bebain's in the one. In 25 minutes, I think this team is so. They were pressing too high in Kulmanga defense at these guys. I ask you instruction from the bench, which guys, these guys, they're playing balls behind you guys. There mustn't be a gap between you goalkeeper and hand. By Bonalent, I think after 20 minutes, they rectified. Sundowns now against that thing. Too predictable from Mamelodi Sundowns. Every time they did the same thing. Until first half yonke iphele. Now I check ama chances about creating at 20 minutes. After that there was nothing from Sundowns because they were doing something. You saw one player, I think Lucas Ribeiro, yes, udlala instruction as a player, but sometimes you need to read the game. Credit to Lucas Ribeiro, sometimes holding a ball, taking somebody on, somebody maga joiner, you drop the shoulder, go to another direction. But you needed double Ribeiro by 2-3 with the Sundowns. It could be by creating chances or getting the goal. But knowing good to go Shalulile, so is right. Matthews Shalulile did the same thing. Though I differ in terms of equality. Matthews is the more skillful. Technical is more good than Shalulile, but they did something. It came in first half today. Everyone, Omunye wa Magapeti Pola, Omunye is running away from someone. Which could be ultimate Pune gap between the two of them. And they were nearer to each other. Somebody big up behind Omunye, we met big up behind Shalulile. I think Shalulile, you need to work first touch you need to become a team player sometimes. Because if you so people more than 3 minutes, obviously, yeah, confident to so people confident to put it down, you'll make this first touch bad. So first touch bad because you this card doing about people. If it's my iyadlala lapha when they're not giving you, mhlamba bakhipha ubhekane no goalkeeper. kusho ukuthi ngeke udlangale wena la uzobamba khona ibhola le first touch will be bad le bhola lela lehetayo it's a goal is alone there goal akusibhola le high goal if usebenzisa good right technique it's a goal. Yeah, I understand. So first half, I think Sundowns they became predictable, and only one player show up. It mean Gim, Will Lucas Ribeiro. That's why it is a man of the match in second half. Sundowns the reason they were not themselves today. A couple of players abadlala ama position that they are vital. Ngikhuluma ngom Mkwena, Diba, Shalile off. Came in today like. They were off. So it was very difficult for Sundowns to function. Nkuluma as a team. Because, you know, yes, there are star players at Downs, Abo Ribeiro, Mshishi, but they play as a team. For them to function in a team, so those three players, they were off. Second half, getting a red card.
Yeah, what do you think about the actual red card itself, the incident?
Yes, it is a red card. But I think Ushauke Lapo should have done better.
Yeah. That was the moment where they should have won the game. And it's an assist.
Yes, assist. Pulukwane City dominated the game second half because of a red card to Sundowns. But quality. I think they lack quality. Players, they had so many ball possession, but decision making is wrong. Pulukwane City, they run. Like those players, they just run. Pulukwane City, without around, looking around, they just play away like corner. If they were smart enough in terms of thinking, they were supposed to score. Because sometimes they were outnumbered at the back, but they look like Basapele because of thinking about it. I mean, the Pola de Lushaukal Tolil. A chance about Perry. Just assist.
It was 5 minutes left. You score that, the game is over.
We understand. And I'm not too sure what instruction from the bench. Every time got the ball go wide and cross. Ngoba le impact yabo second half went forward too much. Kule game fit I think umanqoba Nkuleko you need to have a plan B going forward to other games. You need a winger. Right, left and right and left wingers up front. You can't rely on my full back. This is a game whereby you become predictable. Namhlanje I think it was sometimes predictable. Manga cheka second half. La be kume khona umndawo. Going forward, I don't understand their sub. Mhlambe is injured, but ngisho ukuthi la umndawo beka receiver khona ibhola la kumele ku receive khona i-wing forward ka right. La bhola bel receiver ulo mfana lo Mashiko ula bemele receiver umuntu ka left. And those players they can't take somebody on. Kule game namhla you needed players abazothatha abantu babafaka eboxini. You want to na dribbling. Players will go behind the defense, change gear. But kule game it's only one player was doing that, which is Ulomchitu Lucas Ribeiro, and it was obvious. Ngoba second half pocket. Among check udlalile 20 minutes after that they pocket him, and he was tired. Then in the first half running with the ball, doing all the job alone. I think going forward, you need to come up with a plan. Team today it was obvious. I think Ubenelaki could actually win for me.
That's an interesting one. What stopped Polokwane City from taking that advantage? Because it's 30 minutes, extra time. It's also 10 minutes plus additional time, regulation time. But they couldn't penetrate. They couldn't do anything with their advantage.
Yeah, these guys, they didn't have midfielders as smart. I'm surprised. I think this guy would be the middle captain. Surprisingly, in the middle they never played.
Babeno Kambala as well. There,
tackling and Mapangule. Yeah. And I didn't see Mapangule.
Yeah, they were just there to mark basically.
Yeah. This team Kulego, Bebanga nama midfield slam. Like a smart. Nobody was comfortable in the middle. Surprise the Sundowns. Angit badlala counter. Bebanga is surprised the Sundowns. Every time it beba pass defense this is la up front. Okanye mhlambe liphume nje by mistake libe behind the defense Sundowns libe dangerous because they've got speed. Ushauke na balls mabamfaka as well. But none other than that ithi ngithi nje ukuphendula Polokwane City njengoba ngishilo I don't think those players they've got equality. Sundowns. I don't think they are smart enough. All
right, let's wrap up the video. Let's just do it. Actually, the draw live now. Yeah. That's a nice thing for our viewers as well. There's a name about keeper. Mamelodi Sundowns. The name that they've just taken out. They are about to take the second name. Mamelodi Sundowns is playing. I'm wishing for Pirates really. 2 legs of Pirates and Sundowns. It's Stellenbosch. Still a good game though. So that means Pirates is going to play against the Cape Town City. It's just a matter of whoever is home and away. So that doesn't matter. So if you didn't see the draw officially, you're just watching us on this video. Bakipa Kamale Sundowns Kala, Bakipa is Stellenbosch. So that's Sundowns versus Stellenbosch. Sundowns being the home side in the first leg, if I'm not mistaken. And then now, Ikamale Statabal Kipayo, which is the second fixture. And that is Cape Town City. They'll obviously play against Orlando Pirates. Quick reaction to that. Sundowns, Stellenbosch, Orlando Pirates, Cape Town City. It's not easy for all of them.
Yeah, I'm not gaming at Leilula between the 4 teams. Kunzima kakhulu Nkululeko ya nali pakani muzomnyama.
Yeah.
Very difficult game, both of them. Yes, it's away and home. High but for the fact ukuthi noma ngabe uwinile the first akusukuthi iphelile
second leg
noma ngabe udliwe first. It's very difficult for 4 teams knockout mfethu. Yeah, interesting games. Pirates idlala ne Cape Town City. Pirates idlala Stellenbosch, very quick Stellenbosch mfethu. Yeah, it's going to be interested in against Sundowns. The coach I think is still want to settle himself. He want to settle himself. Njoba ngisho mancoba meleze ne plan B mfethu. He need to catch.
Sure.
Yeah, mangoba le ukuthi afuna ukudlalisa nalomfana lo Central Coast amasapo Sundowns nawo wayinikanga next Sundowns ukhuluma ngomshishi mina nalomfana lo Aguero Chaplin Brena. I must go wide umfana. I think wide is more dangerous. Ngikhuluma ngale ka left, go back to your position. Bangayidlala nge false number 9. You need to come up with plan B.
All right. There you go. Thank you very much to Junior. Thank you very much to everyone for watching us. We hope you enjoyed the video and also hoping that you liked what you saw Guma semi-final draw. I've always said that I would rig these draws to make sure that I keep these teams that are strong, to give them a fighting chance to get to the final. Any competition that doesn't have Sundowns or Pirates, primarily Chiefs is not there, there's nothing we can say about that. But all these competitions need these big teams. So even this draw, it avoided Sundowns, it avoided the possibility of Sundowns and Pirates. But I think even if they were playing against each other, at least you guarantee that one of them will be in the final. So now you have to hope for the life of this tournament that one of Orlando Pirates or Mamelodi Sundowns stays in that competition, because a Stellenbosch versus Cape Town City final doesn't sell. It doesn't sell. It doesn't sell for SABC. It doesn't sell for SuperSport. It doesn't sell for Itiski TV. It doesn't sell for Elisa DFM, Para. All of us, we don't get any money for Stellenbosch and Cape Town City final. Although if they deserve to go there, they deserve. That goes without saying, obviously. But we need those big teams to remain in this tournament for it not to die. And I'm sure that's what MTN is wishing for as well. They don't put that amount of money for nothing. They're hundreds of millions in a tournament for nothing. They want those big teams. Anyhow, thank you very much for watching us at Itiski TV, Itiski Times. World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.